Hey guys, to receive this electric knife sharpener for reviewing purposes, and I think it's nice. I have never had one, so I think it's perfect. Okay, let's open it. First thing we see is the user manual. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick read in a minute. And then we have even perfectly bubble wrap protected. We have the main unit. Okay, it has three different grids that you will use. Okay, the coarser one is a 360 grit diamond. The second one it's finer and it's 600 grit diamond also. And the last one for polishing the blade, it's 5000 with resin. Okay, so I'm gonna give a quick read to the instruction manual to see how it works and how I will use. Okay. It has four non-slip pads on the base, so it doesn't slip when you're sharpening your knife. So it's a safety feature that I think it's really, really nice. Okay, so let's plug it in. So you can see I've got a knife in here. Let's test it. It's really, really dull. Okay, not even. As you can see, it's really dull. So I'm gonna turn it on. Give it a quick go. Okay. Okay, now that we pass through all three, I'm gonna give it a quick rinse. So take all the metal shavings off that are left. Now we can better see the edge. Okay. Okay, so I've got a knife in here. As you can see, it's not that sharp. So I'm gonna sharpen it with the electric knife sharpener. Okay. Once turn it on, I'm gonna use the number one first. Then we're gonna use the number two. And the right one. And we're gonna use the last one. Now it does look sharper. So what I'm gonna do is give it a quick rinse and test it. Okay, I'm back. I've got in here an orange and another paper sheet. As you've seen, I tested with one, so I got another one to show you that it's a different one. And I'm gonna test the knife, okay? As you can see, now it's sharper. It's easier to cut the paper. So I think it works perfectly. I'm gonna test with the orange. I'm gonna use this paper and take first the sticker. Then I'm just gonna go right through it. And as you've seen, it was really, really easy to use. And it did that sharper. So I would recommend it. It's perfect for your home use or where you want to place it, use it. It's perfect for your kitchen. I think it's a really nice gadget. You know, when you're cooking constantly, your knife tends to get duller and duller. And I think it's a great option to, well, if you don't know to use the whetstones, I don't. I think it's a great option. It was really easy to use, so I would really recommend it. So yeah.